Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Urmisha Patel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create the sparkling chart in Tableau. So far in the Microsoft Excel, we are using this sparkling chart, and basically for those who are working on the retail or an e-commerce data set or anything related to a marketing, they are using this sparkling line chart to understand how the trends or pattern are going at the product level. So if I say in other words, sparkling charts is actually giving you an idea that how at the each record level the trends are working. So let's say you can use it for the seasonal pattern or to check some kind of economic cycles, or let's say for to find the minimum maximum for that product, or I mean not a product but at the data level and how the trends are going on. So let's create the same sparkling charts in Tableau in few simple steps. So for this, I'm using the sample superstore dataset, and from there I've pulled this ordered sheet, and these are the fields within that ordered sheet. So to create a sparkling chart, which is quite similar to that of the line chart, so we need one date field. So here I have this ordered uh, date. So I'll simply drag this and put it in the column section. To create this sparkling chart, I need one measured field as well. So here I'm going to use this profit. So drag this profit field and put it here in the row section, and you will have this basic line chart. So this is for the overall year based how the profit works for the whole this file based data file based. But if you want to see at individual record or at the product level, you need to have here certainly division at what level you want to see. So let's say you can use it for this product category or product name or product subcategory. I'll use it here subcategory. So if you drag and put it just before the sum of sales here in the row section, you will see how the trends are showing for each product subcategory. Let's increase the size of the subcategory and squeeze this area a bit, so you'll have an idea that how individual um, all the subcategory are working in just one pane. So the most important thing here is the trends are we are able to see for each subcategory level. But one thing you can see, the x's are actually giving you the same, that it starts from 0k to 100k, and I don't think that every other subcategory are performing at that level. If you see this labels, they are actually not performing well. It is giving you close to some 0k, so you don't get a clear idea that how actually and at what level this trends is going on. So what you need to do is you don't just make it as an automatic or the exact at the level of what the sum and profit is. We will make the change on this axis. How? Then right click just on this any area on this axis and click on the edit axis, and here instead of this automatic, I'll make a change to this independent axis range. You will see everything got changed. The axis got changed, and here instead of this include 0, I'll remove it, so that anything which is um, uh, having a huge difference or the gap between the profit and the 0, I don't want that it always includes a 0, otherwise it just to make the cluttered free, and the trend should be quite crisp and clear. For that, just we are removing this include 0. Again, it depends on your data level that how it is, but if you want to work on this sample superstore data set, then I definitely recommend you to remove it and see how this pattern so showing. So in the book case, you will find this, it is going below that, which actually in the loss. So that's how you can see how this is working. But I want to drill down at the month level as well. So how you can do is just simply drill down, clicking on this plus, you'll see how it drilling to the quarter level, and if you again drill down to the quarter, you will see the month. I don't want this quarter, so let's remove it and see how it is making a difference at the year level, and how in that particular year the month level and the trends are going on. So that's how this sparkline charts are. Let's remove this axis as well, and which is quite obvious. So right click and just uncheck the show header, and you will find this and we have this grid lines as well. So let's remove this. Right click again and go to the format, and here on this lines, go to the row, and then on this grid lines make it none, and you'll see the grid lines are removed. We do have this dash line, which is actually giving the idea that it is close to the um, we can say the zero line. We have here the zero line. We can also remove the zero line, but I'll keep it zero, no problem, it's fine. So that's how we have this sparkling line chart in Tableau in just few clicks, and you can use it for your data set. But again, I would say this is helpful for mostly if you are working on the retail or in marketing or some e-commerce data set, and I'll definitely suggest to work on this. It's really helpful to understand your user or the to make better decisions for that product level. I hope you like this video. If you really like it, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such video. Till then, happy learning.